As you can see, this iPhone is badly damaged and is missing the back glass. I got it back from a customer after they had left it in the sun and lost the back cover, and they sold the phone back to me for £10. This iPhone here is in perfect shape with no cracks or marks, but it's stuck in recovery mode, so I'll be restoring the smash phone back to new condition. I start by powering the phone off and removing the battery, which allows me to safely take the phone apart. When I originally sold it, it was in perfect condition, but now the condition is very poor, so I will change that. Here is the phone that the board will be going into, so I start to disassemble this one. I put the board into the new phone and test the battery in it to make sure it shows life, and it does, so I continue putting it back together. I also put together the old iPhone as the screen and internals still functions, and then I put a black back onto it. As you can see, the 4S is now functioning perfectly and is in mint condition, and it will now match my other flawless white iPhone 4S on iOS 7.0.